This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Loren van Korbach. Tremendous opportunity to get into the rental market or expand your portfolio. This nearly new Lynden duplex is turnkey and offers a nice and open floor plan, 3 beds plus 2 baths, a double-car garage, no step entry, stainless steel appliances, washers and dryers, a covered patio, and a fully fenced yard. Currently rents for $3,475 per month but will support a minimum of $3,750 per month from identical unit next door. The rental market in Lynden is on fire with historically low vacancy rates coupled with rapidly increasing rental rates. Don't miss out on this great low-maintenance investment opportunity that provides strong and consistent returns. For more information, review the details below.